This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Derek Jabek. Enjoy modern Florida living in the desirable Trevesta community with this beautifully maintained Sable floor plan townhome by MI Homes. This end-unit residence offers abundant natural light and an open, airy layout perfect for comfortable everyday living. The main level features a stylish kitchen with quartz countertops, 40 inches cabinetry, a walk-in pantry, recessed lighting, and stainless steel appliances, opening seamlessly to the spacious living and dining areas, ideal for relaxing or entertaining. Upstairs, you'll find 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including a generous owner's suite with ample natural light and a private ensuite bath. Step outside to your private patio, perfect for morning coffee or unwinding at the end of the day. Impact windows provide added safety and convenience, eliminating the need for hurricane shutters. Residents of Trevesta enjoy access to resort-style amenities including a lagoon-style pool, fitness center, and additional community features. Conveniently located near I-75, with easy access to Sarasota and St. Petersburg, this home offers an excellent blend of comfort, style, and location. Available for rent, schedule your showing today and experience the Trevesta lifestyle. For more information,